Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the fuel filter on Volkswagen Passat 5 1.9 TDI. The procedure is similar for Audi A4 B5 and Audi A6 C5 with the same engine. The fuel filter is located on the side of the engine, just there underneath this air intake pipe. So first, to have access to the filter, we need to remove the intake pipe. And now we have access to the fuel filter. We're not going to be disconnecting any fuel lines. First we need to remove the bolt holding the fuel filter housing on the side so that we can lift up the filter. If the video is useful, like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the filter is loose, we need two sets of pliers. One is big pliers. Actually, the two of them need to be kind of big pliers. With one of them, you're going to be turning the filter while holding the fuel filter cap. We need to turn the cap anti-clockwise in order to remove it from the filter. Now that the filter is more loose, we can turn it by hand. And that's the fuel filter out. Now we can put on the new fuel filter, but first make sure you top it up with diesel before putting it on. This car has electric fuel pump, but this way we're going to help the fuel pump to bleed the system more quickly. Now that the filter is full with fuel, we can put it on in its place and tighten it. You only tighten it by hand as much as possible, and that's it. Don't use any pliers to tighten it because you're gonna bend the filter. Now that the filter is tightened, we can put it in its housing and put the nut on so that it holds it in place. Next, we're going to put the air intake pipe back in its place and tighten it. Now that we're done, next we're going to start the car. Make sure you turn the ignition on and off about 5 to 10 times at least with the filter full, and afterwards you can start the car. With every turning the ignition on, you can hold the ignition on for about 5 seconds so that the fuel pump primes the fuel system. And now we can start the car. There you go, it started. Thank you for watching.